So what day is it? It's October 1st, our third day at sea after leaving Neah Bay. We've had some pretty fine weather the last day and a half. Well, actually the whole time. Last night we had some pretty good winds, favorable from the north. Gradually they clocked around to the south, and this morning we tacked onto the starboard tack like we are now, and we're making pretty close to due south for quite some time. We had about 20 knots of wind, and we're getting bursts up to 7 knots on the GPS over the ground, so making pretty good time. Again, down the coast, we're about 80 miles off the coast, just past Coos Bay, headed south. That's where we are right now. Just finished a lunch of ham and cheese sandwiches, and some apples. Bree had to treat a little ham.
She's becoming quite the little beggar, isn't she?
Yeah, she is.
Never
We're doing
used to
pretty
do
good
that.
right now. Having a little bit of trouble getting the boat to steer herself. I guess basically we've forgotten how to sail after 3 years in the Pacific Northwest, so we're having to learn some things over again. Expect to be in San Diego in, well, it's 900 miles, so somewhere between 10 days and 2 months. Oh yeah, and I'm reading Tom Clancy.
Still.
Hello.
Hello.
What's for supper?
We're having yellow curry.
Yellow curry? Is it hot curry?
It is hot curry just for you. I wouldn't dream of making it any other way.
I see you're scooping the rice into the bowls there.
Yeah.
All steaming hot and everything. It's pretty smooth. We got our tiller pilot doing the steering here, something we haven't done before. The wind is kind of light and a little bit fluky for the rubber band arrangement. So we're using our tiller pilot. Oh, that looks delicious. Yum, yum. Yes, sir. Got to eat well out here, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I got the spatula for it, but I had to drag it out.
You forgot to take the spatula out?
Yeah, so I could scrape the pan.
We are going to be eating out of bowls. That is one concession to small sailboat eating. We're going to sit and hold bowls in our lap and eat out of them. A little bit too much motion to use plates on the table. And oh yeah, chutney.
Mango chutney.
Mango chutney.
Oh, I didn't see that.
See what? See what? No, we didn't see that.
My mango chutney.
Yeah, our mango chutney.
I licked the fork, okay?
Actually, I don't think I got that in the camera. Whatever.
You want extra mango chutney?
Of course.
Of course.
That's the good stuff.
It's pretty hot anyway.
And then can we have chocolate for dessert? Later on, maybe?
I suppose we can.
All right. Okay. Well, it looks like it's about time to put the camera down and dig in, eh?
Yellow curry.
Yay.
Come on.
All right. Right here. Oh, yeah.
I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. I wanna be with all the connies and vahinas that I used to know so long ago. I can hear The old guitars are playing on the beach at Oh Now Now. I can hear the old Hawaiian saying, Eko mawai no kaua I ka hale wala ka hau. It won't be long till the ship will be sailing back to Kona. A grand old place that's always there to see. You're telling me I'm just a little Hawaiian, a homesick island boy. I wanna go back to my fish shack, boy. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii, where the humu humu duku duku apua go swimming by.